Okay, 同学们 let's continue our lesson. Let's read. 妹妹的眼睛很小，妹妹的眼睛很小，耳朵很小，耳朵很小，手不大，手不大，头发不长，头发不长。Here, 妹妹 means little sister. So if we add the here, so it will become little sisters. Here, 眼睛 means eyes. 很小 means very small. That means little sister's eyes are very small. 妹妹的眼睛很小。耳朵 means ear. 很小 means very small. 手 means hand. 不 means not. 大 means big. So that means hands are not big. 头发 means hair. 不 means not. 长 means long. So that means here is also not long. Number 1. 你的个子真高，你的个子真高。Here, 个子 means height. 真高 means really tall. That means you are really tall. And this is also the title of our lesson. Look at number 2. 你的鼻子真长，你的鼻子真长。Here, 鼻子 means nose. 真长 means really long. So the whole sentence means you have really long nose. 懂了吗? Understood? Okay, let's learn other body parts. 身体 means body. 部位 means parts. So they have given other parts. Here, 头 means head. 肩膀 means shoulder. Here, 膝盖 means knee, knee. And 脚 means foot. 头、肩膀、膝盖、脚。So what do we learn? 眼睛 means eyes. 耳朵 means ear. 嘴巴 means mouth. 鼻和 here means and. And 鼻子 means nose. There is a mini story here. The title of mini story is 小蝌蚪找妈妈，小蝌蚪找妈妈。Here, 蝌蚪 means tadpole. And 找 here means to find. And mama means mother. 小 means small. So small tadpoles, they are finding their mother. Look at number 1. 你是我们的妈妈吗？你是我们的妈妈吗？ Here, 我们的 means ours. 你是 means are you भनेको है अनि mama means mother. So here ma means this is a question. So the whole sentence means are you our mother? The whole sentence means are you our mother? Doc, D-U-C-K or yeah. Zhe is saying 我不是 我不是 That means I am not. 你们的妈妈你们的妈妈眼睛很大你们的妈妈眼睛很大 Here 你们的 means yours. 妈妈 means mother. 眼睛 means eyes. 很大 means very big. So that means your mothers have big eyes. 懂了吗? Understood? Look at the second picture. 你是我们的妈妈吗？你是我们的妈妈吗？ So the small tadpole, so they are asking fish. And fish is saying fish. Fish is saying 我不是我不是 That means I am not. She is saying 你们的妈妈有4条腿你们的妈妈有4条腿 Here 你们的妈妈 means yours mother. 有 means to have. 4 means 4. Here 条 is a major word. For 腿 means legs. So a mother fish is saying your mothers have 4 legs. Look at third picture. So they are asking 乌龟 That means tortoise. Look at picture number 3. 你是我们的妈妈吗? So tadpole they are asking are you our mother? So 乌龟 is saying 我不是我不是 That means I am not. And mother tortoise is saying 你们的妈妈没有尾巴你们的妈妈没有尾巴 That means 你们的妈妈 means yours mother. 没有 means doesn't have. 尾巴 means tail. That means I am not. But your mother doesn't have tail. 懂了吗? Understood? So look at fourth picture. So finally, 你是我们的妈妈吗？你是我们的妈妈吗？ Are you our mother? So frog. 袜子 She is saying 我是你们的妈妈。我是 means I am. 你们的 means yours. 妈妈 means mother. 我爱你们。我爱你们。Here I means love. 你们 means you, but in plural form. That means I am your mother. I love you all. 懂了吗? And that will is saying Mama, Mama. 懂了吗? Understood the story?